Okirikiri kana buko sada harielu. What an abe goose rugede, amahune goose rugede, puegumo. My children, you all have been fortified. You have been fortified. You cannot go.
Wise one, thank you very much. Wise one, I think it would be wise for you to test the potency of the charm you've done for us. Because what is your problem?
Yes.
If Baba is saying that we are fortified, we are fortified now, then we should leave. Let's leave this place. Let him test it.
Enough! You have a point.
Wise one, please, I've seen the potency of the charm that you've done. Hey, there won't be need for you to test it on me. I believe so much in you. Thank you, wise one. Baba, thank you very much. But one more thing. What about the color? What is the problem now? We are fortified. Let's live here. What are you looking for? So, we are going to face seriously armed men.
Yes.
You need to test the color for safety reasons.
Enough! I lose your kaka. Chimo. What is it? Hey! Hey! Awi!
Great one.
What is this? Did you add your grease leaf I asked you to add to the charm?
Hey, I forget.
Chai! Look at it here now. Look at it here now. Hey. Look at what you've caused. Listen, I will not lie to you. I will not lie to you. You will not graduate from this place. I'm telling you the fact. You will not graduate from this place. I'm telling you. I will make your life so. I will lay curse on you. Yeah.
Wise one, eyes of the gods. Wise one, please, there won't be need for you to test this once. We know you. I believe so much in you. Just allow us go. Okay. Please, wise one.
My children, calm down. This is as a result of his negligence.
I can't take it anymore.
No one comes to me for fortification and goes home embarrassed. No, I must make you believe that I am real. And Arusha Kaka is real.
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
Chimo.
Wambi.
Wambi. Chimo. Ben. Chimo. Ben. Hey, Arusha Kaka. My enemies at work. My enemies at work. What are you going to do? They want to disgrace me and disgrace my ancestors. Never. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
The devil has been waiting for you.
Chew it. I don't say Kaka. Hey, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? I don't say Kaka. Hey. Chimo. Chimo.